Turn your blog into a money-making machine. Learn the 2022 system on how to turn your blog into a money-making machine. You can do this whether you are an affiliate marketer, blogger, or an entrepreneur. In this 90-minute training, you'll learn the following. What a blog actually is today. Blogs are not journals, rather a guide for solving problems for people faster. How to build recurring income from your blog, choosing the best offers to write about and then ranking your blog post on Google. New workflow to write content 5 times faster. Building content from scratch is old school, new tools make writing quality content easy. Build yourself as an authority in your niche. Become the industry leader through great content, and get rewarded by Google. How Adam gained 5,000 backlinks in 5 months. Learn the proper way to get links back to your site that actually works in 2022. What it takes to go from 0 to 6 figures a year. Learn what it really takes to turn your blog into a full-time income without sugarcoating. Registration bonus. Get link building secrets when you RSVP today. Get instant access to the premium training link building secrets. In this 90-minute training, you'll learn the exact process that Adam's team uses to build authority and scale backlinks fast. Your instructor is Adam Enfroy. In 2019, Adam started his blog on the side while working a full-time job. Within 17 months, he grew his blog from 0 to 450,000 monthly visitors and $80,000 per month in recurring revenue. Today, Adam's blog consistently makes over $200,000 per month and his story has been featured in Forbes, Entrepreneur, and Business Insider. Attend this live training with Adam to learn how to build passive income from your content. Click the link in the description to join the Jasper Mastermind today.